Since we already have the bars for our chart, let's quickly mock up some information to show when a user hovers over each bar. Go ahead and draw a few text boxes over the first bar and fill in some information. Feel free to customize the font and locations however you would like. Since both of these text boxes are related, we're going to group them together and apply two simple animations to the group. First, an on view, fade and down animation, and also an on hide, fade out up animation. We're going to keep the timing default for now, since this content is what we're going to show when the user hovers over. Now, we're ready to set up our interaction. Let's start by drawing a hotspot over the first bar object. On the Interact tab, we can simply apply a hover trigger with a show action and the text group we just created as the target. As you can see in the preview, just as expected, when we hover over the first bar, we get our bit of information, and when we move away, it disappears. Since we've already created one of these, all we have to do is copy the hotspot and text box and position them over each of the remaining bars. Then update the target for each interaction. Looking at the preview, you can see how these simple animations and interactions give the bar chart a much more engaging feel. This is just one way to create an interactive chart in Ceros. Be sure to check out our other video lesson on how to create an interactive chart using object states. If you have any questions on creating interactive charts like this, or would like to explore some of our other chart making options, please feel free to reach out in the chat widget and we'll be happy to help.